Okay, YouTubers, here we go. Here they come. Here they come. These are Canadian honkers, and they migrate up and down. They love the salt grass. Everybody loves the salt grass. The elk, when the tide goes out, right around that area there, becomes all salt grass. Oh, look who we got here. Now, you might think that's an eagle, but it's not. No. That's actually a turkey vulture. Yeah. It's hard to tell them apart, so you got to look at their talons. Turkey vultures don't really have a talon like an eagle does. Wow, look at that baby. Man, oh man. Life is good.